Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Chapter 7 Motion and Measurement of Distances. Video part 1, question number 1. Prem and Raju started walking from their house to reach their friend Ritika's house. Prem covered a distance of 2 kilometers and Raju covered a distance of 4 kilometers. But they both took the same time. Which among the following statement is correct for the above situation? Actually, they take the same time. They took the same time. It means Raju has covered more distance. Despite of it, he has taken the same times. It means Raju's speed is more. Raju has covered longer distance and higher speed as compared to Prem. And it is in your option number C. So first answer will be your option C. क्योंकि उसने टाइम तो सेम लिया, कम टाइम में ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर किया ना, तो नेचुरल है कि वो ज्यादा तेज स्पीड से भागा होगा. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट यूज्ड एज अ यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग लेंथ? तो लेंथ की यूनिट होती है मीटर, यू कैन सी हियर, मिलीमीटर यू कैन सी हियर, किलोमीटर यू कैन सी हियर, बट क्विंटल इज द वेट मेजरिंग यूनिट ऑफ मास. सेकेंड का आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी. Question number 3. Which of the following is equal to 1 ton? So 1 ton equal to 1000 kilogram. You can see here. So B. 3 का आंसर होगा B. Question number 4. In which of the following types of motion an object moves such that its distance from a fixed point remains same? जैसे देखो, this is the circular motion and distance from this center point is always equal. So we can say this is your circular motion. Fourth answer is option C. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is correct for measuring the length by using ruler? Ruler should be placed away from the object whose length is measured. बहुत दूर रखोगे तो लेंथ मेजर कैसे करोगे? Not correct. Worn out portion of the ruler should be used for measuring. Worn out portion means जो टूटा फूटा portion है, if you use that portion, the measurement will come wrong. Keep your eye vertically above the point where the measurement is to be taken. We should see vertically. If you see diagonally, the measurement can be wrong. It can show error. Option C will be the correct answer. Fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. Match the following. Millennium. The millennium is the 1000 years. Okay? Decade is your 10 years. Century is the 100 years. Day is your 24 hours. So it is your C. Sixth answer is C. Question number 7. 20 second is equal to. So actually there is the minute conversion. You can see minute conversion. So 20 second out of 60 second, because in 1 minute there is 60 second. Okay? So 20 ones are 20, 23 are 1 by 3. Answer will be your D. Seventh answer is option D. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a system of measurements? तो FPS फूट पाउंड सेकेंड सिस्टम ऑफ मेजरमेंट. फूट फॉर लेंथ, पाउंड फॉर वेट और मास एंड S for second for time. FPO not any unit. CGS centimeter, gram and second. MKS meter, kilogram and second. So B will be the correct answer. Eighth answer is B. Question number 9. 100 decimeter equal to how much centimeter? So millicentimeter deci. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So 100 decimeter equal to 1000 centimeter. It is in the option number B. So ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. A car covers a distance of 40 kilometer in first hour and 50 kilometer in second hour. Which type of motion it is? So in the first hour 40 kilometer, in the second hour 50 kilometer. It means the distance covered in unit time is varying. और अगर ये vary हो रहा है तो motion is the non-uniform. So 10th answer will be option B. Question number 11. Which of the following is not an example of rotational motion? So movement of moon on its axis, it is the rotational motion. Movement of earth on its axis, rotational motion. Movement of a person on the road, this is the rectilinear motion, or you can say rectilinear motion, or you can say it is the translatory motion also. C will be the correct answer. 11th answer is C. Question number 12. 1 gram has been divided into 1000 kilograms. So each part will be actually 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So one part will be 1 milligram. 12 answer will be option C. Question number 13. Example of a periodic motion. Periodic motion means the motion which repeats itself in a fixed time interval. ठीक है, तो motion by a boy running in a park. If boy is running in a park, it doesn't mean it will move. It will repeat the motion with the time. ठीक है, motion of a car on the road. So this is the translatory motion. मतलब it is a rectilinear motion. सीधी पाथ पे वो चल रहा है. Motion of a pendulum. Pendulum का motion repeat होता है by the fixed time. So we can say answer will be C. 13th answer is the option C. This is the periodic motion. ठीक है. Question number 14. An object A is moving in a circular motion and another object B is moving in the linear motion. Which of the following is the translatory motion? Translatory motion means when the motion is circular as well as the linear motion. So you can just see when this ball is moving, so moving, it is circulating also, and it is moving forward also. So linear and circulatory, so both, so you can just say it is the option A and B. Translatory motion will be both. So 14th answer is the option C. ठीक है. Question number 15. Distance from place X to Y is 45 meter and time taken by a person is covered. This distance is in 9 seconds. The speed of that person in kilometer hour is. So first we will convert it as the kilometer. So 45 upon 1000 kilometer. ठीक है, divided by time. So time will be also converted into hour. So 9 second, 9 divided by 3600. Now equal to 45 by 1000. This is your R. Multiply by 3600 upon 9. So 9 5s are 45. 2020 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 2 18s are 36. 18 kilometer per hour is the answer. It is in the option number A. So 15th answer is option A. Question number 16. Motion of a top is an example of, so this is rotational motion because it is moving on its axis. ठीक है, तो 16th answer is C. Question number 17. A truck is moving with uniform speed of 40 km per hour. Which of the following graph is showing the speed of the truck? So uniform speed at means same distance is covered in same time. Same distance is covered in same time. So option C will be the correct answer. Straight path will be it. Okay. The 17th C. Question number 18. Which of the following is not correct? 1 decimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 1 meter. Yes, because 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 10 to the power 1 centimeter. So yes, because it is 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 10 to the power 2 decameter. No, actually 1 decameter equal to 1 decameter equal to 100 decimeter. It is written opposite. So C is the correct answer. The 18th answer will be your option C. Question number 19. 1 century is equal to 100 year. 19th answer is option C. Question number 20. Motion of a flying bird. Actually, motion of a flying bird, it is not uniform because bird can fly uh, bird can fly any distance in a unit time. Sometimes it can cover 2 kilometers, sometimes it can cover 1 kilometer only. So that's why we can say it is non-uniform motion. So 20 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.